Mr. Speaker, no one denies that steelmaking has been difficult for some time, but Scunthorpe is the victim of a dishonesty that pretends it is better for the environment to ship coke halfway around the planet than from down the road, and an energy policy that has driven costs higher than any competing nation. No one is more responsible for this than the Energy Secretary and the Prime Minister who appointed him.
Ed Miliband is stepping down, but forget the press conference rumors. The real bombshell? Britain's steel industry is collapsing on his watch. Remember the bold promises? The passionate speeches? The man who once stood tall, promising to be the champion of British industry, now watches as steel factories crumble to dust. Here's where it gets interesting. While accountability takes a holiday, Nigel Farage, yes, that Nigel Farage, is the one calling it like it is. Brace yourselves for the steel storm of the decade. When the Brexit champion becomes the voice of reason in British politics, you know we've entered uncharted territory. The question on everyone's lips, how did we get here? And who will be left standing when the dust settles?
Why is Scunthorpe paying almost twice as much in energy costs as in South Korea or in America? We have to stop these green energy costs. We have to be realistic. I see that the Secretary of State for Net Zero has now left. But get real. You know, we can take it into public ownership now, but if we go on loading these costs in our industry, we will be coming back month after month, year after year.